Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord alternator. First, park on level ground and set the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal immediately to prevent shorts. Gather basic tools like a socket set, serpentine belt tool, and replacement alternator. Keep parts organized and take phone photos during disassembly to help with reassembly steps. Follow torque specs and test charging output after installation for safety and reliability. Start by rotating the tensioner to relieve belt tension and slide the belt off the alternator pulley, keeping belt routing in mind. Next, remove the plastic covers and disconnect the alternator electrical connectors and the large power cable with a protected hand to avoid damage. Support the alternator while removing mounting bolts and lower it straight down to avoid striking other components. Set the old unit aside and inspect mounting points for wear or corrosion before installing the new alternator. Place the replacement alternator into position and start mounting bolts by hand to ensure alignment, then tighten to manufacturer torque values. Reattach the main power cable and plug in all electrical connectors, ensuring clips lock in place and wiring is routed away from moving parts. Refit the serpentine belt and set correct tension, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, start the engine and verify the charging system reads proper voltage and that no warning lights remain illuminated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.